We do a lot of exterior remodeling work: siding, windows, doors, guttering, decks, sunrooms. We're the all-encompassing contractor that can do the complete project. This project is very unique in that there were numerous exterior remodeling tasks that needed to come together to make the whole project complete. We had to redo some of the deck, reframe some of the roof overhang. Another thing we did was use extra large gutters to keep from gutters backflowing. A lot of the products we had to match close with what's here. So whether it's a Hardy Plank product or an LP Smart Side, we have the ability to find those materials and match exactly or very closely to what was used, let's say 20 or 30 years ago. Anybody that's been up to Wintergreen Resort knows that everything is steep and hard to access. So a challenging project, but nonetheless a job we're really proud of how it turned out. We're gonna make sure you get your money's worth, that it's right, we're here for it. If there's something goes wrong down the road, we're a local company that'll come back and be your contractor for the long haul. You're not just protecting your walls and your roof, you're protecting what matters most to you. Call Valley Roofing and Exteriors, your best and safest choice.